Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, 9 a.m. and clearly I am running late because we are going to a family friend's Mitzvah this morning. I do not know what I'm wearing yet. I still have to clearly do my hair and do everything. The face, the eyes, the clothes, everything. We even have to dress the baby. Say hi. Ema. We're going to get ready. If you're new to our channel, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please help me choose what to wear. Let me know what you like. Okay, so I had the quickest shower. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not washing it today. I need to do a whole lot of work on that. But first I'm gonna do the face because the face needs help. If you're new to this channel, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Momjo on YouTube. We publish videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and we are two moms trying to get our Momjo back. I have foundation on my fingers. This is why I'm holding my hands like this. So keep watching with me. We're getting dressed, getting ready for a family bat mitzvah, and I have no idea what I'm wearing, and we need to leave in 20 minutes. Since it's a day event, I am going with very neutral makeup. But I still feel like I need a lot to fix up this face. So let's go with mascara. We learned this trick recently. That basically you just put some moisturizer on a Q-tip and then you clean underneath your eyes to remove all excess makeup, because of course I did the wrong thing by putting foundation on before I did my eyes. See there, it takes it off. Now I'll use the other side for this part. So I'll just have to redo my foundation under the eyes. Rookie mistake. Okay, lips I always do last. That will be like downstairs. I'll put like some Vaseline on now or something, just to get me going. Okay, so I'm already feeling like the face is getting somewhere. And now we have to deal with this. I always feel like the hair here when I wake up stands up. So I'll just do a quick blow dry of the top little corners, and then I will go with the straightener. So the biggest question is, am I gonna do some curls or am I gonna go straight? I'm kind of in a bit of an in-between phase at the moment where I like both, but I don't like either. Does that make any sense? So let's just see how it goes. Disclaimer, I am a lazy hair person. I don't know how to do it, and I do not have the patience. So I don't put like half up and then half down. I just start and hope for the best. Okay, this side's looking a bit more exciting. I always have trouble doing this side. For some reason, doing it with my right hand, I managed to learn from Carolina. Now the left side, ooh, it's not so easy. I'm trying. And yeah, yes. Isn't that a good feeling when you actually manage to do the curl and it works? I'm less confident about this one. Let's try. Okay. I think I did it. I'm gonna just redo this one more time to start a bit higher. we're done. Really, that was it. Literally, that's all I'm doing. I mean, seriously. No more hairspray? Oh. Well, it'll have to last. Hair done. Makeup done. Okay guys, so since I'm wearing a skirt to this event because it's happening in a synagogue and that's what we do, we wear skirts, I have put on my black stockings, I think you call them, stockings, leggings, tights, whatever, that I'll be wearing regardless of what outfit I choose because I only have black ones. They fit well, they hold everything in, kind of like Spanx, and I don't have any other option. So now we have to choose what to wear. Help! So this is option 1. We've got this skirt with a high black top, actually a little bit better than I thought. So this is outfit number 2. Since I've never really tried it properly, I'm guessing we're going to tie it like that. And so it's a pretty cute little dress. So this is option 3. I love this dress. Yeah, I guess the question is, what do you think? It's pretty tight, it's pretty fitted, it's very comfortable, and I need help, guys. Which outfit? 1, 2, or 3? So which outfit, my love? What do I wear?
They all look good. I don't know what to say.
Well, you have to pick one. 1, 2, or 3.
The green.
The green.
Yes.
Is that it?
I think so.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, putting the final touches on using my new Estee Lauder lipstick. Added some earrings. You heard what the hubby said, we're going with the green. I feel pretty good. Yeah, now we're gonna get out of here. And I still haven't done my daughter's hair. This is typical mom life. So mamas, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Drop me a line in the comment below and tell me which of the 3 was your favorite outfit. Did I choose your favorite? Or would you have gone with number 1 or number 2? Let me know what you like. Love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media at Finding Momjo. Bye guys. So I just managed to do her hair and then I realized that we're matching. Is that nice? Look, 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 look. Oh. She's clearly not as interested in matching as I am.